You can see how the level of development in Lekki Aviation Town. And this is the road, one of the estates. You can see how the road is done, and massive constructions are ongoing in this estate. So it's one of the fastest developing estates in this axis. The drainage system is done, well done. You know, the roads are mapped, and it's a titled property. Now, buy now, position yourself now, or you buy high later. As always, I bring you the very best. See you in my DM.